your skill set when you're on a job search is through your resume. And so often I see 2-column resumes, you know, those really pretty resumes where you've got your picture, you've got your skills, you know, labeled with how good you are at it. And there's like a column running down the left, a column running in the top, and then like all of your experience section crammed in on the right side of the page. Those are not applicable at all with applicant tracking software. And so basically what an ATS is it scans a resume from left to right, parses the information into the application, but also into the internal system. Think of it as like a CRM, right? It's just collecting data. But if it can't properly parse your data, your profile isn't going to be complete. And then when you're competing against all these other data scientists whose profiles are complete, they're going to be more likely to get hired. So I recommend that you leverage a resume that's more compatible with the technology used within HR today, but also with the human being. The majority of you said that you were from places who read from left to right. And so when your resume is formatted in, you know, different areas and it makes me read here and then over here, and then there's something here, I don't have enough time as a recruiter to find your stuff. I want to be able to quickly skim through. And a way to do that, if you have extensive experience, you know, try to keep your resume to 2 pages. You know, maybe if you're transferring over from another industry that's not as relevant, you might be able to have a 1-page resume, but I don't see it very often with data scientists. And sometimes I even see a 3-page resume. You know, there's no hard and fast rules on how long your resume needs to be, more so that the content is relevant to the job you're applying to.